If you're shopping for a mortgage, you might be wondering, what happens if interest rates drop after I lock in my rate? Don't worry, this is a common question, and I'm here to break it down for you in simple terms. I'm Tyler, your friendly mortgage advisor here in Austin, Texas. I work alongside Matthew Scalise at Real Mortgage to help make your home buying or refinancing journey stress-free and straightforward. Let's start with what it means to lock in your rate. When you're approved for a loan, your lender gives you the option to lock your interest rate. This means your rate won't change, even if the market fluctuates while your loan is being processed. It's like locking in the price of your favorite concert ticket. You secure the deal no matter what happens later. Now, what happens if interest rates drop after you lock in? Unfortunately, most rate locks are exactly that, locked. You're protected if rates go up, but you typically can't take advantage of a lower rate unless you have a special option built into your loan. That's where a float down option comes in. Some lenders offer this feature, which allows you to adjust to a lower rate if the market drops significantly during your lock period. There's usually a fee involved, and the rate must drop by a certain amount before you can use it. Matthew Scalise and I can help you explore whether this option makes sense for your situation. So, what should you do? Stay informed. If you're worried about rates, talk to your lender about your options. Focus on the big picture. Locking your rate gives you peace of mind, so you don't have to stress about daily market changes. Consider timing. If rates are trending downward, you might choose to wait to lock, but that comes with some risk. Remember, there's no way to perfectly predict interest rates, so the goal is to make the best decision based on what works for you. I hope this helped you understand what happens if rates drop after you lock in your mortgage rate. If you have any questions or want help navigating the process, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. Please drop a like for this video and subscribe to this channel to see more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.